Hi, Phil here from Mr. Mechanic. I have this fully refreshed 5,000-pound capacity Hyster forklift, fully serviced and ready to handle your toughest jobs. What really makes this forklift stand out is its impressive quad mast, offering an outstanding maximum lift height of 240.2 inches. That's 610.108 centimeters, while maintaining a compact lowered height of just 86 inches. That's 218.44 centimeters. It's the perfect solution for warehouses with very high racking, while still allowing easy access through standard doorways. This unit is fitted with smooth, cushioned tires, making it ideal for indoor warehouse applications. It also comes equipped with a side shift, allowing for precise load placement. Come down and see it for yourself before you buy. This forklift has been fully serviced, certified, backed by warranty, and is Phil approved. For more information, give us a call at 905-275-8072. Mr. Mechanic, big enough to help, small enough to care.